Hello guys, my name is Ujjwal Rathod and you're watching Techno Maharaja. So as we first upload the video of iOS 9.1 and then I said that I will make new video about installation, about props and cons about this ROM. So I have tested this ROM and there are some bugs that I've encountered with. So let's start with props. So the props are every major things is working. Let's start with Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working fine since I have to connect it in order to set up it. Bluetooth is also working. Cellular data, I don't know whether it's working or not because my Geo is not connecting at all. So if you can check it on any other system or any other carrier if you want, but Geo is not working. Personal hotspot, I think it's working. Yes, personal hotspot is working. There is no need to worry about. Control center, where it is, it's also working fine. This is the control center, it's working. Apart from that, automatic brightness is working fine, so you don't need to worry about. Battery is quite fast in draining, so it's up to you whether to use it or not. Sound is working fine. Sensors are working fine. So these are some other applications, compass and all that. Camera is working fine. So camera is working, front as well as the back. Video recording is working also. As you can see, GPS is also working. GPS is also working. So all the major things working, and bugs are the internet in Geo is not working if you are concerned with that. And apart from that, the vibration of the buttons is also the major issue. You cannot turn off it, so every time you touch it will get vibrate. All the capacitive button the K3 not have, so it's a major bug. And yeah, apart from that everything is working fine, so you don't need to worry about. And some of the applications are in Chinese, so that we can't understand what there is. And since the Geo is not working, so Geo 4G or any other application will not work also. These are the bugs. So thank you very much guys. If you encountered with any other bugs, please comment on my channel, and you can also WhatsApp on my number also if you have any queries. So thank you very much for watching my video. Keep subscribe my channel for supporting me, and I'll make new videos on whatever room you want. So thank you very much. Thank you.